Okay guys, so I'm going to show you around because we came back. This is my grandma's purse. This is the water. This is my chair. And then this is where we keep our clothes. I'll put this on the ground.
Guys, está mojado.
Even I'm going to get my mom's purse. And this is where I sit. See, this is where you sit. And there's something about
Saraí, esto es tuyo.
No quiero lastimar nunca más tu corazón.
yeah, that.
Que son suyas porque no se quedan.
Déjame abrazarte y llenarte de besos.
This is mine.
Saber tu lamento. Besar tus mejillas y sanar las heridas del tiempo.
How do I get it? I'm going to flip it.
Me impartas un consejo sabio.
I'm setting up. Yeah, this. I kind of have a game for all of you guys. You know what this game called? Win the unicorn, the cute one. So I have this. Let me see. I gotta sit down for a sec because I don't want to stand up. I'll just put it here. So we have to win the only cutest unicorn in the world. So we have to win these cards. I'm gonna go get the first. I got an escape rope. It's an item. Each player switches their active Pokemon with one of their benched Pokemon. Your opponent switches first. If a player does not have a benched Pokemon, that doesn't switch Pokemon. You may play as many item cards as you like during your turn before you attack. Okay, I got the first one. I'm gonna do it here. Maybe another player if other players compete. Okay, the next one. That is, I don't understand. I'm gonna look. I know this. I think I got this right. Nope. I got one, and now I need the second one. Which one is it? I think I got. Okay, mine. The next one. Daddy, pick a card. So which card are you gonna pick first?
The first.
Not this one. You have to win this. Whoever wins it, they win nothing. They just win this. I just gotta keep
Okay, I keep the second one.
this one. You got a pan sage. It's a vine whip. Yours goes here. You have the first one. I got the first one. The second one I'm gonna pick. Let me guess which. If you just look at the view over there. Guys, look at the view while I'm picking. The view looks so nice, right? Okay, now I can pick the next one. My next one is a Noctowl. It's a Hypnoblast. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now asleep. Night Raid. Your opponent reveals their hand. Discard and Pokemon from it. Okay, that's the next one. Daddy, which one are you going to pick next?
The third.
This one?
The other one.
You got Charmeleon, Claw Slash Sheet. You got this. Now it's my turn. I don't know which one to pick. Which one did I get? Okay. I got a Caterpie. Surprise attack. Flip a coin. Look. If tails, this attack does nothing. Look. I got this. I got it. Daddy, which one are you going to pick?
That one.
Got the tag team. Now, the one I'm going to pick. I got a Neobat.
Okay.
Your turn. Your turn. Which one? Your turn.
My turn.
Yeah. Which one?
This one.
You got the Lana as a support.
Your turn.
I'm gonna. Yay! I won!
You
I
won?
won it! I won it!
Wow.
Look cute. These are Pokemon cards and they're so cute. I like
Okay.
Let's see how many I got.
Mira aquel que lleva la pelota ahí. ¿No quiere usted ya?
No.
I got 5 cards.
Okay.
I got 5 cards and you got 4 cards. So I have.
How is that?
Look, this is more longer than yours. Look, yours is so short. Yours is so short. Like mine is 4, yours is 4. It makes.
Okay.
I have mine.
That's it.
Bye, everyone. I hope you have a day, a great day, a beautiful day.
Okay, mommy. Love you.
Love you too. I'm gonna organize it.